Hi guys, it's David Wynn here, August University. I just want to give a quick breakdown and tell you guys about this amazing product. I just got in the program. It's called Commission Hero. So if you guys haven't heard about it, it's essentially a huge program. It's getting starting to get some popularity right now, so I had to get in. And what's cool about it is, I'm not sure if you guys have ever heard of ClickBank, but ClickBank is an online portal that you can utilize to sell other people's products. Utilizing affiliate marketing. If you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's essentially marketing other people's product where you get a commission, a piece of the pie, but you don't have to run your own inventory. You don't have to run your own even digital product or create your own. You can actually just sell someone else's or be the person that offers it out there. And if someone is interested, you get a cut. So it's a great way to be very profitable without much of your own money at all, other than investing into some courses to make sure you know what you're doing. Obviously, you can learn what you're doing on your own through YouTube and different resources, but you could be on the computer all day for several days to months to years and not really get what you need. It's better to kind of learn through a mentor I've discovered. So I chose, I would say probably the best mentor when it comes to affiliate marketing, which is Robbie Blatchard. And he's, I'm not sure if you guys know about him, but he's the number one ClickFunnels, not ClickFunnels, ClickBank. We use ClickFunnels, but he's the number one ClickBank affiliate out there. So he teaches the course, his strategies, he delivers some funnels for you. Some templates, some copy, and his exact strategies that he uses to, once again, be the number one salesperson on ClickBank. So if you're looking to start your own business, learn from the best, I would recommend that you guys get in. He does advertise. He talks about getting you up to, the goal is to get to $1,000 a day, which honestly, that's what I'm trying to get to. I'm just starting my journey now. I'm placing my ads and following the instructions and just going through the course. But learned so much about, some advanced, I'm a digital marketer, but I've learned some advanced things when it comes to pixels and just targeting and things like that in Facebook ads in general. So if you're a digital marketer and new to affiliate marketing, this is a great course for you to take as well, just for learning about target audiences and lookalike audiences and things like that. But yeah, if you guys are interested in Commission Hero, I'm just gonna show you briefly what the website looks like. I can't show you the internals just because I agree with Robbie that as an affiliate partner, I'm not gonna show the insides of the course, but hey, he goes through various different things from Facebook Pixel to setting up fan pages to just crazy amount of content in there. And he even gives you some set templates that you can utilize, copy and paste strategies to kind of start your own thing right away. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys the portal briefly, the website.
Go fancy with any screen recording or anything, guys, but basically Commission Hero, number one ClickBank affiliate in the world, reveals how to make 1,000 plus per day on ClickBank with a 3-step system, even if you have zero online experience. So yeah, you basically can check out his free webinar, and he's gonna explain exactly how you can make this kind of money, how the system works.
Yeah, guys, if you guys want to be like me and go seriously deep, I've made money through various different other affiliate programs. I do promote heavily, Tai Lopez's products, Grant Cardone, just because I really believe in those products. So I like to partner with those guys. I don't even get paid with Grant stuff right now because the affiliate program's not really up and running, but I love Grant Cardone. He's a mentor to me. Love Tai Lopez's products. And right now I'm heavy into learning more about affiliate marketing because what's nice about it, I'm trying to live a lifestyle of waking up, checking your sales numbers, check how much money you made, and working a few hours a day, you're not working like a slave or 12, 14-hour days, you know what I mean? That's not what I'm trying to live. I'm trying to live a life of a laptop lifestyle. Wake up, do what I want, buy what I want, eat what I want, spend time with whoever I want. So that's the dream, that's the goal. I'm gonna do it. If you guys want to join the journey with me, let's get it together. Click below. I partnered with Robbie on this to be an affiliate partner with him. It does help me as well if you guys get in. If you guys want to work together on this, building Facebook ads, building different campaigns, stuff like that, let's make it happen. And I appreciate you guys checking out my channel. Always, please hit subscribe. Please hit like. Don't forget. Share this video if you can. And I'll see you guys when you get in with Commission Hero. It's an amazing project. And what's cool is that he also is going to be updating it regularly. Another big takeaway right now so far is the Facebook group. You're learning so much from other people in the group that it's insane. So get in, Commission Hero, click on the link down here. Make it happen. 2020 is going to be a big year. Don't make just 2020 goals, make lifestyle goals. And my lifestyle goal right now is to wake up with thousands of dollars every day. Join me. Let's go.
3 $1,000 days in a row.
The support of Robbie and the team has been absolutely amazing.
It's been a big eye-opener for me.
I'm excited, and it's just going to keep getting better from here.
Thursday, $1,230. Friday, $1,170. Saturday, $1,080.